So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So again in this video we are going to solve this amazing question, right? We have given 6 raised to a minus 6 raised to b equal to 1216. We have to find the value of a and b. So before we solve this question, we have to know few things. First of all, this is 1216, which is positive number. We all know, right? It is positive number, which means that 6 raised to a minus 6 raised to b is also positive, right? Because both are equal, and it is also equal to 1216, which is positive, which means 6 raised to a has to be greater than 6 raised to b, right? Because that's the only way by which it is possible, right? So if 6 raised to a is greater than 6 raised to b, which means a has to be greater than b, right? So now, if to simplify this question and to simplify this equation, I will assume let a equal to b plus k. Why? Because a is greater than b. If b is greater than a, then I can write b equal to a plus k, right? But here a greater than b, that's why I have written a equal to b plus k. I have assumed it, right? So now I will put b plus k instead of a in this particular equation. So 6 raised to b plus k, right, instead of a, minus 6 raised to b as it is, equal to 1216, right? Now there is one property that whenever we have a raised to m plus n, I can write it as a raised to m into a raised to n. So according to this property, it will become 6 raised to b into 6 raised to k, right? Minus 6 raised to b as it is, equal to 1260. Now if I take common 6 raised to b from this equation, then what will remain? Only 6 raised to k minus 1. And here I can write 1216 by many ways, but you can see here I have perfect square of 6, right? Which means I can write here value of b 1, 2 and 3 and etc., right? So 6 raised to 1 6, 6 raised to 2, it will become 36. So if you divide this number by 36, you will get 36 into 35. 36 into 35 will become 1216, right? So from this equation, you can say one thing, that 6 raised to b is always gonna be even number, right? Whatever value you will put, this will be always positive number, right? Which means even number. Which means if 6 raised to 1 6, 6 square 36, 6 cube 216, right? All of these are positive number, and this is odd number. Why? Because 6 raised to k is always gonna be even number, and if you subtract 1 from even number, it will become odd number. And from here also 36 is even and 35 is odd. So I can directly compare, like 6 raised to b equal to even, which is equal to 36. So I can write 36 as 6 square, which is equal to 36, right? So you can compare that b equal to 2, right? So from here we will get value of b, and from this part 6 raised to k minus 1, which is equal to 35. So 6 raised to k equal to 36, which is equal to 6 square. So again we will get k equal to 2 also. But this is not our final answer. Why? Because we have to find the value of a, which is equal to b plus k. So it will become 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So value of a will be 4. So a equal to 4 and b equal to 2 is our final answer. I hope you got it. This is slightly conceptual question and very easy to solve. And if you have any doubt, then you can comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.